Non-offensive substitute for a swear word. What term describes a non-offensive substitute for a swear word? For example, Battlestar Galactica used frack instead of fuck. Another example is the use of snap instead of shit. I think I may have heard a single word term used to describe such alternate non-offensive words before, but I don't know what it is.
The general term for these is euphemism. The use of a word or phrase to replace another with one that is considered less offensive or less vulgar than the word or phrase it replaces. Edit, just found another term, minced oath. I've never actually heard this term used, mind you, but still, it's a closer match than plain euphemism.
Another common term is minced-oath. This term literally refers to a substitute for the profane rather than the obscene or vulgar. However, I think it is sometimes used as a more general term for any such substitution. So, gosh darn it, a minced oath for, god damn it, would be literally a minced oath. But, shut the front door, a substitute for, shut the f*** up, would not be an oath, and so not literally a minced oath. But I think the term is applied to both.
The basic process is called euphemizing, replacing a harsh word with a softer word or phrase.
I would call this a minced oath. An expression based on a profanity, or a taboo term that has been altered to reduce the objectionable characteristics. Lots of fun stuff like struth, cheese and rice.